Fellows, welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Today I'm here to put a fog light on a Nissan Frontier. As you can see, this is one of my cars. This is also Nissan. I have 4 cars in total. 2 taxis and then 2 like private cars. So this is the Frontier. Okay, there's a Frontier here. Basically, it's parked. So when I come to Ghana, and then we use it. Okay, so that's how it is. It was in the sun for a while, so the hood and the top is kind of the heat or the sun damage it. But later on, I'm gonna give it a coat, painting, and it will be fine. So as you can see at the compound, I built a garage for the 4 cars, right, as you can see here. So later on, when we going back to Canada, this is where the cars will be parked. And this is the fog lights. I bought 2 sets. When I ordered this on Amazon, they let me know that this fog light will fit the Sentra. Okay, I was thinking it's the same light, but no, it wasn't. So I don't know what to do with the other 2. I'll probably keep it here for now, whatever it is. But I'm going to try to put on this one today. So I'm going to do quick installation. So fellows, time to time, I will update you. Stay tuned. Fellows, 1 light is plugged in now. Yeah. 1 fog light is on. Now I took this one out here. So this is covered with a dummy. This is a dummy here. So this what is there. So there's those 2 there. So I'm going to put this one there too. It's easy. Just plug in. Yeah, it's easy. So then we'll go to the wiring stage. Yeah, I have to create a path so that I can put the wire and then get it light up. So fellows, stay tuned for more action on CSF Tech and Engineering. Yeah, so fellows, as you can see, lack of tools. So I couldn't complete the installation of the fog light yesterday. Okay, so today I'm back to work again. We also need a connection for the parking lights here. You have to get the power from the parking lights. So for you to do that, for you to change the parking light for this car, you have to the tail light, you have to the headlights, you have to take it out, otherwise you cannot get to it. See, it's hidden this side, and there's no chance for you to put your hand there. So the only way is to remove the front headlights. So that is what I did right now. So almost done for the installation. So I'm still working on it. So also we get some extra lights. Also we'll install it later on. So for now I'm just focusing on the headlights, on the fog lights. So fellows, let's stay tuned for more episode on CSF Tech and Engineering. Yeah, I gotta find this wire, green wire. Right, so I gotta see if I can see it inside or connect some device so that it can tell me where it is. Okay, so stay tuned. Fellows, still on the job. Now everything is okay. Everything lights up. The fog lights is complete. It's not a difficult job. Only thing is finding the power power wire to connect the one of the ACC wire to it. That's the thing. Other than that, you can see the steering column guard. I took it out to I end up giving the power, the ACC line to this lamp. This lamp here, when the key is on, then the lights comes on. I don't want the fog lights to be on, even though by mean of connected to the battery. So when the ignition is on, then the fog lights is gonna turn on. So after, I have also these two here to connect. So I'm putting things back. This will be more easier to do, except I probably do some drilling on the bumper, and I'm gonna put lights on it, double lights, left and right, and it's gonna help us for the night. Right. So that's what I'm gonna do right after I put these things together. So fellows, stay tuned on this episode of CSF Tech and Engineering, fellows. So this is the car, and as you can see, this is my yard, right? And then this is the garage that I built. This is what there. Later on, this is what all the cars gonna be. Now, this is a Nissan Frontier. Very nice. I have lights to the driver smash it up, so I gotta repair it later on. I have all the lights, but I'm not gonna go do that for now, because he probably, if he smash it again. So fellows, stay tuned. Yeah, as you can see, my cousin and my wife also there. That's the other car that I did change, the Nissan Sentra. I did change the tail lights about 4 years ago. It's still running. It's in good condition. Usually it's parked, so when we come, we drive it. So usually the car is parked. So fellows, stay tuned for more episode on CSF Tech and Engineering. The fog lights there. Later on, I'm gonna show you the lights. Everything is on. I'm gonna show you later. Okay, so fellows, this is how far I have come. Okay, the fog lights on. Let me take this thing out here. Okay, this one I did not tie it at the bottom yet. This one is pretty much solid. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now at the moment. So this was gonna be the fog lights is there. Okay, and actually I have the fog lights also at the bumper. Okay, so fellows, I still pretty much done. It's enough. Probably I was depending on the lights. I don't know. It's getting dark as quick as it is. So after probably I tie this one, I might stop it, and I will put the headlights on, and then what I'm gonna do is I need some wires to connect, or perhaps I can also connect the wires. Yeah, I think I can pretty much connect the put the connections for the wires, so it will be easier for me to attach it tomorrow or whatever it is, right? So it's gonna go together with the headlights. So high will be high, low. This light has a high beam and also low beam. So this that's how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be together with the high and also the low beam, and then the fog lights is also gonna be by itself. I have a switch inside. Let me see. Let me show you the switch inside there. So for the fog lights, I can switch it off, on and off switch, right? So this is the fog lights there. Yeah. Let me slide it to lock it there. Okay. I have to slide. Okay. So it's on and off. On and off. Okay. On and off. So the fog light is pretty much done. Everything is installed. Okay, it's pretty much good. So it's by itself. You can turn it off and on anytime you choose to. But the this light here is going to be together with the headlights. So when the high beam is on and the low beam is on, it's gonna be on. High gonna be high, low gonna be low. So fellows, that is how it is. Let's stay tuned on CSF Tech and Engineering. So fellows, welcome again. As you can see, the fog lights are connected and it's working nice. Okay, the next one is the top ones. I did not do that one yet. Let me turn on the headlights and see if the headlights is also gonna work. Okay, okay, one is working and one is disconnected here, so, and it's also working anyway. So as you can see, the headlight, the parking lights are all working, except this ones that I have to connect them. So this is the wires here, so I'm gonna work on it too, and as simple as that. So and I also have an issue now a crank but no start, so I have to find out what is the problem. Fuel is okay. I get little sparks coming from here, from the coil. This guy is 2003. So it's using the coil, right, and distributor cap. So I have to troubleshoot and see what is the issue. But that will be probably for tomorrow. I don't know. I'll try to start it and see. If not, tomorrow I'll have another episode of getting the car start. I'm not sure what is why it's not starting. So I'll see. So far, the cranks, everything work. So we will see. So fellows, let's stay tuned. Fellows, once again, welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. This is the day 3 of the installation. I could have finished it. It's a one-day job, or probably I would say 6 hours job. But I have to stop, take breaks in between, buy stuff, come back. So yesterday the night caught up very quick, so I gotta abandon it and then continue this morning. So fellows, this is where I am now. See, as I showed yesterday, everything is in place. The wires are all stripped. Okay, and this is the second one here. Now I have these connectors over here. Let's see if I can. Okay. So this connectors here for the high beam. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side too. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, now it's 3 wires. Okay, low, ground is the black one, and then there's one is high. Okay, low, ground, high. I'm only putting these connectors on the low and high. After, I'm going to ground the 3 wires somewhere else. I'm not gonna connect together with the ground on the high and low beam. So this ground here can either be grounded somewhere at the body. There's a couple grounds here, so I can probably ground it at the body here, or just ground it at the battery. So this is what I'm going to do. I might have to go in for more wires. And one thing is here, you don't have the actual new wires. You have to get the wires from the wreck vehicles. So then they strip up the wires, and then they sell it. So I guess that's what I got. So that's what I have to use. Yeah. So far everything seems going okay. So soon I will be done. Morning. Yeah. Soon I'll be done, and then I'll go to the next steps. Okay, so fellows, let's stay tuned for more episode of CSF Tech and Engineering. Good day, fellows, and welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Fellows, this is about day 4, I believe, of putting in my actually no, this is this is day 4, but just explaining the technicality on putting in the fog lamps, okay, for my 2003 Nissan Frontier. Everything is done. Lights are working, okay, and as you can see, let me show you here. As you can see there, okay, the main wiring harness is this one. Okay, there is two. The lights come with two wiring harness. So this is the main one. The main one consists of you can see there's a relay. Okay, that's what I hang it up over here, and also it had the fuse here. So I wrap the fuse so that no water goes into the electrical or the fuse. So see, as you can see, I think this is a 40 amp. I wrap it so you not see it's a 40 amps fuse. Okay, and then as you can see, I put the ground over there. Okay, I bind all the ground over there. Now, not only so, this thing is about I put a double fog lights, because here most of the people drive with a high beam. Okay, so this is the actual fog light that I brought from Canada. I ordered this one on Amazon, and I brought it in, and I put it in there. As you can see, soon I'm gonna just turn it on, and you guys see how it is. Okay, and this lights is LED. I bought it here for extra power. In here, you get blind with incoming cars. Everybody have the highlights on, and they don't care. They will not lower it or put a low beam when oncoming vehicles coming. So this is the trending. I mean here that everybody is doing that. Okay, they don't care about the well-being of your incoming vehicle. They only think about themselves. So I also put the same thing. Okay, you blind me, I blind you. Simple as that. So I will see how best it works. Okay, but as you can see, this is the main one I'll show you. Okay, the main harness. This is the power from the battery. Okay, now and also you need two power. This from the battery, okay, goes into the fuse, and then it stops at a relay. And then there is another one called ACC wire here. That is the yellow, I think yellow and black. Oh yeah, also okay. No, it's yellow. Okay. Now, this is only the tricky part, but it's not anything difficult. Per instructions, is telling you to hook it up with the parking light, but it's not that necessary. Yes, you can do that, but all you need is another power line. So this is going through the dash, okay, and then you need a power line. Okay, either you can connect to the street power line under there, or even you can also probably connect to the parking light, somewhere there. Right, but I choose to put it inside there with the back this car have a back lights there. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this one. Okay, so you can turn on the light from inside. So that is when my power coming from, so I connected to that power. Okay, and everything is working nicely. Okay, let's turn it on and see. Okay, this is the parking light. Okay, and it goes with the headlights. Okay, now the headlights is on, and then you see, right, the headlights and this ones are on now. Right, you can see the headlights are on, and I know the rain. Now it's the headlight is not that bright because of that. Probably have to polish the right. Okay, and then is there. Now the fog light is there. So also I put in the switch over here. You see the switch there for the headlight, for the fog light. You just push it on, and then you see that the fog light. Oh, okay. That one is connected to the ignition, so the key has to be on before that one will light up. So let's put on the key. Okay, so the key is on. So now it turns green, and then you can see it's also on here. Okay, right, so that is how the car looks like. Right, okay, good. So this fog light also has a low and high beam. So now it's a low beam, and then the high beam is on top. So that's also working. That one is connected straight to the lights, the headlights of the car. So it worked together with the headlights of the car. So that is a good thing about it. Yeah. So far everything is working perfectly. No complaint. Right, no complaint so far, and it's not difficult to do. And only tricky part is the this one, the ACC yellow wire. That one, that's the tricky part. Once you get that one hook up, okay, because you just have to go under the steering to look for a power line. Right. So once you get that power line, and then you connect to it, and then you set, and then other thing to technical thing you have to do is just put a wire where you want it to be, right? So that you don't want a loose wire around. Okay, so you have to bind them. Okay, as you can see, right, I bind them all here. This is a ground wire, but I did not. I think it's okay, right? And then as you can see, right, everything is tied up, bind up, so that you will not have any loose wire around. Okay, so that's the only thing. Oh, my headlights is on. Okay, let me turn it off. The headlights is still on there. Let me shut it off. Okay, so this car itself, I think the headlight is connected straight to the battery. I guess that's how it was wired from the factory. I hope nobody changed it, but I guess that's how it is. It's connected straight from the factory like that. So that's the thing. So far so good. Right? It's not difficult to do. It's not difficult to do. In my video, I gotta stop and do other things and come back, whatever I did. So I lose track. So it's not everything that I did show, because of even I lose track of video, all these things. Right. So that's about it. So far, happy about it. Okay, I'm happy about it. So it's great. It's great. So on CSF Tech, we learn, okay, from each other. So that's the thing. So this is back in Ghana, yeah, West Africa. Yeah, as you can see, the garage you see behind me, I designed it and I let them build it, because I was directly involved. Tell them, do that, do this, I don't want it like this. Right, and then I get it built like that. So fellows, stay tuned for more episodes on CSF Tech and engineering.